my gosh, I am so excited to have you all here today. You're in for a really great treat. We have 4 amazing entrepreneurs that I want to introduce you to.
So at Benefits Farm Care, we manufacture high quality affordable feeds. We supply them to farmers. We assist them with veterinary care. And at the end of the season, we buy this pork from them, process it, and sell it to the market.
So at Nyumbani Greens, we bring back the power of African indigenous foodstuffs to you in a way that blends to your current modern fast-paced lifestyle. We bring back the power of African leafy vegetables in a way that doesn't really have you spend so much time in the kitchen.
Our mission is to offer market linkages to smallholder farmers, capacity building, and inclusive solutions that empower smallholder farmers and agribusinesses. And here's how we work. We recruit village-based agents in the villages who are basically youths and women. We empower them by giving them post-harvest handling training, good agricultural practices, GAP, and also just how to use the normal agricultural tools such as digital scales and moisture meters.
An avocado tree can bear fruits for up to 40 years. It costs just 2,000 shillings to plant and 80,000 to maintain over its lifetime. That's water, fertilizer, and labor. In return, each tree produces 20,000 fruits, earning the farmer 400,000 shillings. That's 40 million per acre. When Doreen, a 32-year-old farmer from central Kenya, joined Aluvana in 2024, she had just 1 acre. Today, thanks to optimal practices and guaranteed market, she earns 1 million per year, enriching the life of her family and inspiring her community.
You have 20 seconds to answer this question, and our quiz begins now. What is Kenya's largest export? Remember, speed is the name of the game. Team Mint, this is amazing.
So this company was one of the companies that we listed on the stock market of Mauritius in December. You can see what their revenue was in 2017. So when we first discovered this company, it was literally just earning $35,000 in revenue. And the reason I want to show this company, especially to the BZs that are part of Kuzana, is to say that yes, in just a period of less than a decade, you're able to take a company that earns tens of thousands of dollars and scale it to the point where it's now, at 1.8 million, they were the second largest meat producer, remember correctly, in Rwanda. And then they're the largest chicken producer in Rwanda.
So I want to share with you some of the 3 things that I think are possibly just as important as money, or maybe even more so. And that is focus, professionalization, and community. And these are things that I think everyone can also take and apply to themselves too. So hopefully this is also useful for everyone. The thing I want to say is that you don't have to do it alone. Kuzana means grow together. Thank you very much.
You're scaling up your biz like Hakuna Matata. Who's the best one? Kuzana is the best. See me invest? Yeah, that makes me an investor. Let me be a super duper crystal clear. We don't stop until we make 1,000 more millionaires. Best approach, say Habana. Investor with the vision, that's Kuzana. We don't just fund math. We move like a partner, scaling up your biz like Hakuna Matata.